Principal Secretary in Bodoland
Yes,
Territorial Council. So could you please give some advice about Ladakh's movement for what are things that we should be very careful, whether to have a safeguard like 6th schedule or not, first of all, and then if we do, what to do, what not to do. Okay. Yeah, now we'll take your part. Yeah, come on. Yeah. Sonam.
Mr. Sonam Wangchukuy, thank you so much for visiting us, coming to Karbi Anglong and helping us to understand many things. What we want to say for you is we have been watching your movement there, and in fact the chairman, I think you have got chairman, chairman of the Autonomous Council there. They met us in Kokrajhar about 3 years ago. We had discussed about these things. 6th schedule is a very good mini constitution, as stated by B.L. Hansaria and Muhammad Hidayatullah. It is a mini constitution. It is for the protection of the tribes people of Northeast India in the beginning, for hill tribes actually in the beginning. So this is very good because it helps you to do everything almost independently, autonomously, to protect your own language, your land and your people. The population itself. Now, for us, we are very much in minority. I advise that, as you also have said, as we are here following, we follow Article 19 of the Constitution, and also some of the laws which are there already in laws made by the government for maintaining peace and tranquility and non-violence. So we think that small people like us in India will have to fight everything constitutionally and non-violently, as you have already said yesterday also. We are also doing that. Then again, you have also said that your population is only about 3 lakh.
Yeah.
And the area is how much there?
45 to 60,000 square kilometers.
Very big, very big. That means there are still more places to cover for you. I feel that one of the most important thing that we have to do is to increase our population also. Although this is against the policy of the government, but still government will not mind so much so far I know. Because recently India population has crossed over Chinese population, but still India government is not sad about it. Rather we are proud. So I don't think so. If we increase our population, it will be difficult. But while I say increase population, it doesn't mean that we should marry so many wives. Not like that. We are here we are awarding certificates for those who are having around 10 children of the same father and same mother. Not by marrying so many. Because now we are from 88%, we have come down to 45% now.
88% of the population of Karbi Anglong, your tribes were
yes,
tribal
tribe
people.
Was. Tribal people were 96%.
Oh, tribal people were 96%.
In 1951.
In 1951.
And now we are only 55%. All tribes together. And according to the latest calculation, I think we have come down to below 50% now. Because of heavy influx from Bangladesh and from outside of 6th schedule area, outside of Assam. Mainly.
This is something Ladakh should be careful.
Careful, yes. Because for a country, if you have to have so to say a territorial area, population is a must. If your population is less than 50%, I think according to the law of natural justice also, we will not have the right to have autonomous council of our own.
Okay.
At least we should be about 51%, the minimum.
So there is no way to check influx of immigrants for you?
We are trying to do it now, but it is getting very late for us. But for you, it is not so late.
But you always had 6 schedule.
Yes.
So why weren't you able to check influx?
See, from the beginning, there was a third force who always wanted to be selected the most ignorant person as our leader. Yes, the most ignorant people have been selected or elected also.
So poor leadership.
Poor leadership is the main
Elected
thing.
leadership
Yes.
were very poor
Very
standard.
poor.
And
They don't know anything about sixth schedule. They don't know anything about the law. They don't know anything about constitution.
Oh.
They only want to eat. Only eat.
Corruption.
So, corruption. And so, the word for working, instead of the word using working, they use eating. For example, they say, I have been CEM. Then they said that I have been working as CEM. They said, ne CEM kitcho unahut. Kitcho means eating.
I have been eating as the CEM.
Yes. While I am eating as CEM, they say like this. The word itself has changed.
Yes.
The
So
character.
corruption has been a big challenge
everywhere.
in Karbi Anglong.
Yes.
Yeah.
It is too big so that now Dipu, you'll see that it is like almost a city if
Yeah.
you stand here. If you go 1 kilometer away from this place, you'll find that all Karbi people, wretched houses,
Very
only
poor.
constructed of bamboo and mud, plaster. The floor is damp and the children sleep there. You won't find even a feast of rice inside their kitchen. This is the
So
position.
there's big gap between villages and the city where.
And then our people, we must blame the government of Assam also, because why they are looking just like, why they are mere spectators.